Happy New Year, 2018. I've been a homeowner for 4 years now. I've never had an issue, but I had my first ever pipe freeze ever in my entire life. I was like, uh-oh. All I ever knew is that's gonna be an expensive thing to fix. But there's ways of fixing it on your own, and it might not be the emergency that you think it is. If it's a pipe that's underground, then yeah, you're in a lot of trouble. But lucky for me, I have a basement and I have access to my pipes. So I'll show you exactly what I did. And it may work for you, it may not. It really just depends on your house, and it depends on how big the issue is. So the freezing of the pipe was here. Nope, here. This one right here. This pipe, a little difficult to see. Small. So the blockage was right around that corner. That's where the pipe was frozen. I had a draft, which caused a lot of cold air to come into my garage, and all of a sudden, and that's gonna cause water to freeze, especially if it's just sitting in the pipe. So because it was localized to just this one sink, I was able to narrow down which pipe it was. I also have a basement, which makes it a lot easier to find the problem. And as simple as it sounded, this is all I needed to use. I took just a regular hair dryer, obviously not the good hair dryer, but the older one, and I ran some water, and then I just turned on the hot water and just started to slowly warm up the pipe. I didn't want to like shatter it. And in about 10 minutes, I just let that happen, and then I let the water run, like hot water run in the rest of the house just to get water into here. And that took care of the blockage. So really you just need to warm up the pipe. If it's that small and you have access to these, you could try heating it up, just slowly. You don't want to just all of a sudden kill it. It kind of took my time, and now I have hot water again. So that's it. Just use a hair dryer. Makes life a lot easier when you can. If it's something that you can't find though, please call a plumber.